This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Buritica. Ocean access waterfront pool home located on Deep Water Canal in highly desirable Sunset Isles. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, foyer/entry, open concept floor plan, formal dining room with huge windows, big master suite, an updated ensuite and walk-in closet. Spacious guest bedrooms with updated bathroom. Big covered patio, child self-lock security pool gate and new outdoor lighting. Private 1 in-law quarters, or income producing. Ring doorbell, nest control, barrel tile roof, brand new pool pump, new air purifier, electrical panel, 2 years new, hot water heater, 2 years new, AC, 2012, kitchen appliances, 2 years new, ceiling fans, 2 years new, washer/dryer, 6 years, smoke detectors throughout the home. East of I-95, close to beaches, downtown, airport.